The first stop on our virtual field trip is Big Rapids Park, which encompasses 33 acres and is located on the Big Old Plain River in west central Marathon County. The park provides opportunities to swim, fish, picnic. It has a playground, horseshoe pits, and paths to hike.
We're at the Big Old Plain River, just northwest of Stratford. You can see behind me, the Big Old Plain River is right here, and then there's this man-made spillway, and then up above the river continues. This part, kind of a cool little place to explore. Beautiful rocks, upstream here. You can probably fish here, as well as, skip a couple rocks.
Check out this giant oak tree. Here at Big Rapids Park, there's some hiking trails that you can hike to get down by the water. With a great view of this rapids here upriver from us. At Big Rapids Park, there is plenty of opportunities.
Our next stop is just a few miles away, and this stop is at Cherokee Park.
Here at Cherokee Park, there's lots of family opportunities with playgrounds and picnic shelters. Cherokee Park is located on the banks of the Big Old Plain River. It's a 69-acre park with lots of interesting rock formations in the river. And on this side of me, there's another man-made spillway here, controlling water levels and water height.
Here at Cherokee Park, there's this cool little gazebo. You could come inside here and have a nice family picnic.
As you explore Cherokee Park, you'll notice they have a large shelter that has a concrete platform right along the river for really good views, but also the opportunity to potentially fish. Here's the observation deck from one of the shelters at Cherokee Park.
Rib Falls Park is located in central Marathon County, just west of Wausau. Rib Falls Park is located on the banks of the Big Rib River. The Rib River originates in Rib Lake and flows through Taylor, Lincoln, and Marathon counties, ending up in Lake Wausau.
Here at Rib Falls, one of the cool little formations you often see in the rocks are these little potholes. If you look here, there's kind of this circular, it almost looks like something drilled right into the rock there. If you take a look over here to the left, here's kind of another one that's starting, but a lot of people don't know how these are created, but what happens is you'll get a small rock that often has a little more hardness than the rock here. So what happens is that harder small rock will get caught in a crevice, And as current washes through here, let's say during floodwaters, that rock just kind of spins around in there and it settles out. And over hundreds and thousands of years, that rock will do that, and eventually you're left with a pothole like you see here.
Check out the camouflage on this frog down here in the bottom of the river.
Here we are near Ponatuskee, Wisconsin. We're actually at the 4590, and if you kind of come in here and take a look, I'll help explain what that means. So the Earth has some imaginary lines drawn on it. One is the equator, which cuts the Earth in half for a north side and a south side, and the other one's called the prime meridian, which cuts it with an east side and a west side. And as you look on the map here, there are 4 different locations that are labeled 4590. 2 of those happen to be in the ocean. One of them, the one here in Asia, is in a very mountainous region, and the other one happens to be right here in Marathon County. So the significance of the 4590 is it's halfway between the equator and the North Pole, and it's halfway from the prime meridian to the 180-degree mark. So we're going to walk over here and take a look at the spot that's marked on the ground that truly marks the 4590. So as we're approaching here, right at the center of this cement slab, there's this kind of golden colored emblem. This is marking that 45-degree north, 90-degree west spot. And kind of reading and studying on this stuff, this location with a professional grade GPS can be within 1/4 to 1/2 an inch accuracy. One cool thing about your visit to the 4590 geographical marker that a lot of people don't know about is if you stop by the Wausau Central Wisconsin Convention and Visitors Bureau between their open hours, you can sign in and become an official club member. You sign into a book, and once you do that, you get a free commemorative coin as a keepsake. Here's mine from a few years ago.
As you walk inside the Wausau Central Wisconsin Convention Visitors Bureau, you will see the 4590 Club sign-in booklet, which is very thick with names that have been signed from the late 1970s to present day. Once you sign in and join that club, the commemorative coins are also out so that you can have a coin and become an official member.